the importance of fasting. Yes, fasting is very important. Your body is a temple. What you put into your body comes out. Everything, anything you put in, it comes out. You know, words, ears, mouth, food, drink, toilet. It comes out. If you're sitting and meditating, you don't want to be using the toilet, depending on, well, not when you're sitting. So, in order to sit for longer, one has to fast. If you want to sit, say, for 7 years, 6 years, 7 years, I forget exactly, to reach Buddhahood, you can't be eating and drinking under the tree. It's not possible. So, also the body itself needs a break from food. The digestion, the system. You're constantly putting in stuff here at this end. It's going down, down, down. It's going to get clogged up unless you're constantly going at that end. It doesn't make sense. The people are literally sitting on the toilet eating. I've been heavy. I've been light. I am happy breatharian. Weight. Say it again. You are nice. Toby, I'll call you Toby. Toby. But yes, fasting is extremely good for the body. Take cats, for example. A cat will generally have a day of the week when he will maybe not eat. Other animals, they don't go around really just stuffing their faces with lots of rubbish. It's important as well, suffering. It's important to know what it is like to suffer. Or is it suffering though? Is it really suffering if you're in bliss? No, I don't think so. In order for the energy to go up, I believe the path needs to be clear of obstructions. I want to be able to sit and realign my chakras. Realign them from the root to the crown. After which, I may well want to eat. That may well be maybe the second thing I do, possibly after drink water. And other religions as well fast. There is lots of proof, and my own self, I know from, for example, one point being, say, I can't think of how heavy, I've probably even been 11 stone 11, 10, 9, 8. I've gone through all the weights. I went under 8 when I was fasting, or not even fasting. I think I was ill at that point. I couldn't eat. I was ill when I went under 8 stone. But yes, it's important to fast. Nung, just do one day fasting. Drink water. It's good to detox, get rid of the rubbish from your stomach. And yes, watch what you eat. Khopkhunkhap. If you've been watching, please subscribe. A like is very much appreciated. And if you could share, it will help Breatharian travels to grow. Khopkhunkhap. I'll see you all on the next video.